Hi, everybody. It's Bonnie Lee, and I'm sailing with Silversea, and I'm on the Silver Nova in Alaska. Can you tell? It's a little foggy today, and it's a little damp. The ceiling in here is open, so there's a little drizzle. I am in the Marquee Restaurant. Now, don't be fooled by that name, because this is also the restaurant called The Grill, where in the evening you can come with reservations and have a steak cooked on hot rocks. You can come in the morning and have an incredibly healthy breakfast, including, hey, avocado toast, delicious. Or like right now, I'm here for lunch where you can get pizza. You can get pizza in here whenever you want, and it's a great pizza oven. Now you're saying to yourself, Bonnie, I don't think I want to have dinner or breakfast or lunch because it's going to be chilly. On the opposite side here, we have heaters, so that's super cool. And I love this. I got to show you how these babies work. This is a blanket you're going to get, and it's open. So all you get one for your one for your legs and one for your shoulders because it could be a little nippy. Now I want to bring you over here so you can see the pizza dough. For those of us who love pizza, look at this. They've got it all poofing back here. Here is the pizza dough. Hello, how are you? Good. Pizza that is to die for. We're pizza bakers at home, so we know a good pizza, and it is it. Hi, how are you?
Morning.
Morning, morning. And here's all the condiments. This is lunchtime, so you can see we've got fries, all these delicious delicacies. But the part about this restaurant is the fact that it is open air, it is heated, so you don't have to worry about getting too cold. It does have great healthy options or not so healthy options. So this again is on deck 10 on the Silver Nova. I hope when you sail the Silver Nova, you get to have breakfast here every day, unless you're eating in one of the other restaurants. So have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.